Hello, let's go ahead and make some tuna sandwich today. This is not just the tuna sandwich itself, it's a tuna melt. So we're going to basically melt the cheese on tuna, warm up the tuna salad, and also we're going to grill the bread on the skillet. So for today's recipe, I'm using white bread. It's called Grandma's white bread. I made this bread last night following the recipe of Crystal's bread on YouTube, and I will include that link down in the description. This is nice and fluffy white bread, but you can literally make it on any kind of bread. Okay, let's go ahead and start it. Hayır. Tuna. It's a tuna in water. Oops. Okay, I'm going to just gently press some extra water. Okay, this is good. So this is how much water we get out of this 2 cans. I'm going to dump this water. I'm going to dump the tuna back in here. So we can break the tuna. You can break it like this, a little bit like that. Okay, that's good. So I have a celery here. Some red onions. Lemon juice. And black pepper. I'm going to turn on my stove so my skillet can get warmed up here. Okay, now we're going to add the mayonnaise. Okay, so this one looks very good. So like I said, I'm going to make tuna melt. If you're going to eat just as a tuna salad on sandwich, on bread, just to make a very plain regular sandwich, you can do so. So you can literally grab your tuna and flop it on your bread and then put another bread on top of it, and that is your tuna sandwich. But if you want to make it a little more, especially now the weather's today is actually 2026, January 1st, first day of the year, and it's cold outside. So I want something a little warmer to my stomach. So that's why, for that reason, I'm going to warm it up a little bit. Okay. So on my skillet, I'm going to butter my bread. Oh, this is so nice. The bread is so nice bread. Let's see if I can fit 4 bread in there. Oh, perfect. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cheese on top of my bread like that. This is going to make 2 sandwiches. Okay, so if you make it just like this, it's going to be grilled cheese sandwich. This is how the grilled cheese sandwich is made though. But I'm going to cover this. This is a little small. I need a little bit bigger lid. Because the cheese is bit thick. So I want to have my cheese melted nicely. So I leave it like that. And now I'm gonna grab my tuna here. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Then so it's up to you how much tuna salad you want on your bread. But generally this 2 cans of tuna can make about 3 sandwiches. You see now I have enough for 2 sandwiches and I have enough left over for another sandwich. So this will make about 3 sandwiches. This is how much I left. Okay, let's slow this down a little bit because this needs to melt it. We want to just brown it and warm it up a little bit. That's the goal. You see it's now a little bit brown. It's okay if 2 meats together. That's okay. We're going to separate it anyway. So basically we're just browning it and warming up a little bit. That's what we're doing. And then we can check on our bread here. Let's see. Ooh, nicely browned. Okay, since it's on the edge, you need to flip this way so it can come up to the center. And then this one is same. Going to this way and lower the heat here. Yeah. Okay, so let's put on the side here. This is nice and ready. Let's put it on the side and leave it about a minute so the cheese can be melted. Let's go ahead and remove it and make the sandwich. Okay, let's go ahead and put the tuna on it, tuna salad. It is nice and warm. That. Okay. Now you flip the other bread on top of it. And then the one. Do you want to try it? I want to try it. Let's cut it in half. Here's the tuna melt sandwich. I cannot wait to taste it, so I gotta give it a try. Excellent.